Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn about shell stitch. This stitch looks very beautiful if it is used for making baby blankets, or if you are using it for your handbags or for grocery bags. So enjoy learning. The things that we require for the project are yarn of 2 or 3 colors, a pair of scissors and a hook of 9 mm. So let's begin. At first we have to make the slip stitch. Now we have to make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36 chains. Because this is a sample, so we have made 36 chains. Now,
finally by lock speeds.
Chain 1, join here with slip stitch. Now we have to skip 1, 2, 3 chains. In the 4th chain we have to make double crochet 1, 2,
Bad Love by Noel.
3, 4, 5, 6,
I'm Just
7,
Good by Joni Grimes.
8, stitches. Now there are 8 stitches. We'll skip
All Night by
1,
Ixen.
2, 3 chains. In the 4th one we have to insert the hook, yarn over and join here with slip stitch.
I Saw a Ghost Last
Again
Night by
we have
Lionel
to skip
Casio.
1, 2, 3 chains. In the 4th one we have to begin making double crochet 1,
Call
2,
Me by Liquid.
3, 4,
I Don't Need You to Say Anything by La Gang.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Dreamland by Jonas Schmidt.
Again we have to skip 1, 2, 3 chains. In the 4th one we have to join the shell with slip stitch. Now we have to complete the row following the same pattern.
I Miss You by
Row
Lovely.
2 is complete. Now we will leave the yarn here, or you can cut the yarn because we are going to add another color to the pattern now. Turn the pattern.
Funky Souls by Amaria.
We'll add another color. Again we have to make slip stitch. Now here
Polaroid by Extends.
we have to add and we have to make chain 1, 2, 3, 2 more chains and
Dreams by
1
Fireflies.
double crochet. Now chain 2, we have to add this here.
Dolce Vita
This is
by
the
Payless.
front part and this is the back part. In the back part we have to add the pattern like this. Now chain 2 again.
Birds by Scandinavians.
In this loop we have to make double crochet 1 and chain 2, double crochet, 1, chain
Fantasy
2.
by Declan DP.
In the back loop we have to join the pattern like this. Again chain
Lioness
1, 2.
Instrumental by
Now we have to
Daybox.
make in this loop double crochet, 1, chain 2, double
Feather by
crochet,
Willow.
1. Now complete the row following the same pattern. This is how the row is complete. Now we'll make chain 1,
Be the one.
2,
Feet
3,
and egg by
turn the
Vendredi.
pattern, and now we have to make double crochet 1, 2, 3 for making half shell.
With You by Declan DP.
Now we have to join the pattern here. Now in this loop we have to make double crochet, 1, 2,
Atlantis by Scandinavians.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Good Morning by Amin Maxwell.
7, 8, and we have to join here with slip stitch.
Dream by Brave Lion.
Again in the next loop we have to make double crochet 8, 1, 2, 3,
Tropical Traveler by Dell.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Still Awake by Ghost Drifter.
and we have to join here with slip stitch. This is how
Hot Coffee by
the
Ghost
pattern
Drifter.
would appear. Now we have to complete the row following the same pattern. Now the row is complete. We'll add another yarn to the pattern now in the same way that we have added yellow
The
color.
Things That
Now we
Keep
have
Us
added
Here by
another
Scott
yarn,
Buckley.
chain 2, and we will make in this loop double crochet 1, chain 2, double crochet 1.
Keddy by Lockspeeds.
Now chain 2. In the back loop we have to join with slip stitch. Again chain 2, double crochet 1,
Mosaic by
chain
Lahar.
2, and double crochet 1. Keep on repeating the pattern till the length you require for your project.
No Prayers by Pokey
This is
DJ.
how the shell stitch looks like. It looks very beautiful on blankets, and try it for your handbags and earn adorable comments. Thank you so
Spiral by
much.
KV.